Hello and welcome back to Jimbo's PC Builds. Today it's time to do another unboxing video. So without further ado, let's have a look at what we're going to unbox. And a hint, it's a mouse. You may think it's not too exciting, but let's get the box out and have a look. So I'm going to be unboxing the new Keychron M3 mouse. It's their latest wireless mouse. They've only just released it over the last few days, and when I got the notification that they released one, I thought I would buy one and take a look. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So firstly, you get the old user manual. Not sure why you'd want one. You get the cable, the recharge cable for the wireless mouse. It's a USB-C to a standard USB via an adapter, so you can run it at both ends on USB-C if you want. It's a braided cable. It's actually quite soft. It looks like it can retain kinks a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad because they come out quite quickly. So the cable actually looks quite nice. As well as that, you get another USB-C to USB-A female adapter. And you also get, by the looks of things, a USB-C wireless dongle. You also get a USB-A wireless dongle. So you can have it wireless in both modes by the looks of things. And then finally, the mouse itself. It's a pretty standard shape. Looks to things it will suit sort of more of a flatter hand. I don't think if you've got a claw grip, I think you'll be a bit short. It suits more of a flatter hand grip. For me personally, it sits very well in my hand. It looks like you've got on and off buttons underneath, so it can probably go to your mode. You've got two buttons probably to control, I'm guessing, RGB and also the speed. You've got two buttons on the side. You've got a scroll which is reasonably heavy. It's not very loose. And then you've got another button, which that might be for DPI. I'm not completely sure. Hang on, I'll be able to tell on the bottom. Yeah, one's the DPI button and one's the report rate button, okay? And then on the bottom you've got wireless or Bluetooth or off. So it's, yeah, they're the three buttons that you've got. Alright, so let's put it down and have a look at the mouse and how it glides. It glides really well. The top button actually changes the RGB settings, so you can spool through different effects and the different colours. Let's do a sound test on the buttons. It could sound really nice. The sensor underneath is 26,000 dpi. The polling rate you can change, but the maximum is 1000 Hertz. And it's nice to glide around the mat, and it feels light. But let's actually see how light it is compared to, say, a glorious Model D. So without further ado, let's get the scales out and let's have a look. Okay, so let's put the Keychron M3 on first. It's coming in at 81 grams, so not the lightest of mice in the world. Let's have a look at how, compared to the Model D, how much that weighs. Well, the Model D weighs 72 grams, so it's slightly lighter, but keep in mind that if you compare the two, they're actually a very, very similar shape. I would say possibly that the Keychron is a bit more bulbous in the middle. So yeah, possibly, yeah, okay. But one of the big differences is on the Model D, it's perforated on top, where the Keychron is completely solid. Okay, alright, so that was the Keychron M3 wireless mouse. Let me know what you think. Have any of you bought the M3? Have any of you used any of the Keychron mice before? I've never used one, so it'd be interesting to know your thoughts. Please leave them in the comments down below. If you like unboxing videos and you want to see more of this type of content, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, because, you know, subscribers are always welcome. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified of future content. And as always, take care.